Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel, to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Air Macau Airbus A320-232 in Air Macau's 1990s era white fuselage livery with a stylized dove on the tail. And yes, you have seen something like this before. This is plane number 1 in a Dragonwings 1/400 scale set. We saw plane number 2 in that set in the previous video. This aircraft was powered by two International Aero Engines V2527 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 24,480 pounds force or 109 kilonewtons at full power. This aircraft can carry anywhere from 138 to 195 passengers, depending on layout and class mixture. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 450 knots or 833 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 3,300 nautical miles or 6,100 kilometers with a standard load on board. This A320 was initially delivered to Air Macau on April 1st of 1996, with the 1990s era white fuselage with a stylized dove on the tail, with its first paying registration of Charlie Sierra-Mike Alpha Echo. 2 years later in 1999, the aircraft would be re-registered with the registration of Bravo-Mike Alpha Echo. The aircraft was named Cidade De Coimbra for the city of Coimbra located in Portugal. There was a period of time in the early 2000s when this aircraft wore the logo on its aft fuselage for the 2005 East Asian Games that took place in Macau. The aircraft then transferred to Sichuan Airlines in 2003. The livery was changed to a red and white paint scheme with the registration of Bravo-6026. This airline would serve Sichuan Airlines for 9 years, its longest stint of service during its entire lifespan. In the latter part of 2012, this airliner would fly to the other side of the globe to fly with Aruba Airlines. This gained the aircraft another new livery that was mostly white and light blue, and another new registration of Papa 4-Alpha Alpha Alpha. This would be to the end of its paying career, as the plane was put into storage at the Goodyear-Phoenix airport in the American desert southwest state of Arizona in early 2018, and finally broken up for scrap in the latter part of that same year. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Dragonwings version of this aircraft, released in 1998. As noted before, this was aircraft number 1 of a 2-aircraft set, along with an Air Macau A321, which was the subject of our previous video. Our sources have this as one of 4 production runs for this aircraft, 3 in its Air Macau guise and 1 in its Air Aruba livery. For companies that sell, buy, and resell these diecast models to and from the general public, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all North American retailers of diecast airline models, -1. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.